Remember, we're in the weird zone of the show, the weird part. How about this one? Los Angeles podcaster says he found shrimp in his Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Yeah. This was all over Twitter.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Do you believe it? Is this like a hoax or something? I didn't see the
Okay,
the result.
The person by the name of Jensen Karp is a comedian, writer,
Oh, I know that guy.
podcaster, and former rapper. Says he found 2 crustaceans that would have made his Cinnamon Toast Crunch even crunchier. I mean, there's a video. You know this person, Jensen Karp?
I don't know him personally. He had a podcast, or maybe still does.
Yeah.
He's a funny dude.
A comedian.
Yeah.
Do you want to play it? Is it a video or is it just a picture? Oh, it's just a picture. 150,000 likes. This is not a bit. And he tags Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Why are there shrimp tails? Huh. That is very strange. It totally could be a hoax. It would obviously not be hard to do. And you always have to question things like this on the internet.
Yep.
Because you got 25,000 retweets. You got 150,000 likes. And everyone's talking about Jensen Karp right now. Is that my computer making that noise?
Yeah. Did he somehow get his tempura shrimp rolls confused and put them in the cereal bag?
Well, no, because the thing is, those shrimp look so dried out. Like that shrimp doesn't. That shrimp looks old. Like it's been in the bag for a while.
Right.
Okay, well.
Oh.
Now I got you. Now I got you.
What?
You open your favorite bag of cereal. Inside, there are some old-looking shrimp like that. What's it going to cost me to get you to eat that?
Oh, this?
Yeah, right there.
$2 billion.
Oh, you're lying.
No, I don't mind eating this.
But it's but it's more the idea that like is it safe? Like this should not be in their processing facility.
Yeah,
like how do we even know what it is? Did somebody tamper with it? Like why?
Yeah, why?
If this is real, this has to be somebody in the plant that thought it would be funny to sprinkle some, or it's some crazy hoax and it's some kind of guerrilla marketing.
The
manufacturer.
Yeah.
The manufacturer is advising him to call the police. That is obviously a shrimp tail, Karp told CNN. I ate a bowl, then poured it out and saw the shrimp. I had already eaten one full one. Oh, man. So he tasted it and knew it was shrimp.
That's what you do, right?
I'm about to go buy some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's the problem. I'm going to go looking for shrimp.
Yeah.
They're going to be selling these things.
Well, look. They responded.
Yeah, they offered to replace the bot. Well, obviously. Can you send us a DM for more details? Yeah, they want to know. Oh, here we go. Here's a reply from Cinnamon Toast Crunch. After further investigation with our team that closely examined the image, it appears to be an accumulation of the cinnamon sugar.
Oh, yeah, that's what I heard.
Oh my God. That sometimes occurs when ingredients aren't thoroughly blended. We assure you there's no possibility of cross-contamination with shrimp.
So they didn't blend the shrimp enough?
Which is insane, Karp said. He wrote back, okay, well, after further investigation with my eyes, these are cinnamon-coated shrimp tails, you weirdos. Okay, I got to look at this more closely now.
Well,
yeah.
They definitely look like shrimp tails.
They do not look like an
shell.
accumulation of sugar. Whoa. Interesting. And then did Cinnamon Toast reply to that?
Toast.
Toasty. Get yourself a toasty. I don't know, man. What a weird story that is. I guess it's possible. Anything is possible, man. I think, oh, what do we have here?
This is the DM between each other.
And what? Oh, they want the pieces sent to them. Of course they do.
An envelope.
They want to get to the bottom of it, man. What are they supposed to do? They want to.
Yeah.
I mean, what they really should want to know is the details on the box.
Yeah.
Because then they can trace
the
the
manufacturer.
batch and maybe figure out where it happened. But weird.